How to become hotel reviewer. If you're passionate about traveling and enjoy writing, then becoming a hotel reviewer may be the perfect job for you. Here's how to get started in this rewarding career. 1. Do your research. Learn as much as you can about different hotels, their amenities, and what makes each one unique. This will give you a good foundation to work from when you start writing your reviews. 2. Find a platform. There are many different ways to write hotel reviews, but you'll need to find a platform that works for you. You could start a blog, become a contributor to a travel website, or even write for a traditional print publication. 3. Be honest. When you're writing your reviews, it's important to be honest and objective. Don't hesitate to point out both the good and bad aspects of each hotel you visit. 4. Be detailed. Your readers will appreciate it if you take the time to write detailed reviews that give them all the information they need to know about a particular hotel. Be sure to include things like the room rates, the quality of the accommodations, and any special features or amenities that are offered. 5. Use your voice. In addition to being honest and detailed, your reviews should also be engaging and entertaining. Let your personality shine through in your writing, and don't be afraid to add a bit of humor to your reviews. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful hotel reviewer. Happy writing!